Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn circles together, step by step. A circle is the set of all points at a fixed distance from a center. We'll learn its parts, how chords relate to the center, the angle an arc makes, and the special properties of cyclic quadrilaterals. Let's name the parts. The radius runs from the center to the circle. The diameter is twice the radius. A chord joins 2 points on the circle, and an arc is a portion of the circle itself. Chords have neat relationships with the center. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. The perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects it, and equal chords are the same distance from the center. Here is the central theorem of the chapter. The angle an arc subtends at the center is twice the angle it subtends at any point on the remaining part of the circle. If an arc makes an angle of 80 degrees at the center, then at any point on the remaining circle it makes half of that, 40 degrees. Two important consequences follow. The angle in a semicircle is a right angle, and in a cyclic quadrilateral, one whose vertices lie on a circle, opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. In a cyclic quadrilateral, if one angle is 70 degrees, its opposite angle must complete 180, so the opposite angle is 110 degrees. To recap, the perpendicular from the center bisects a chord, the angle at the center is twice that at the circle, the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, and opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.